Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to add or how to enable Facebook profile picture guard. So let's get started our video. First of all, launch on your Facebook application. Guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Okay, first of all, tap on the top right corner three-line menu bar option and then tap over your profile, and then guys, here you can see this is your Facebook profile, and if you want to turn on or add profile guard, then no one can download your profile picture or no one can share your profile picture. So it's really important. So tap on your profile, and then here you can see a option turn on profile picture guard. So just tap on this simply, and here you can see all information is here. Look at this: other cannot download, or only you and your Facebook friend can tag profile picture. The share other should protect your profile picture. Then tap on next and then save it. It's loading, and now here you can see a option guard option. Here you can see. So in this way you can turn on or you can add profile picture guard on your Facebook account very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.